Now, why is it na sinasabi niya, bakit hindi alam na ibang grupo yung existence ng motion for reconsideration? Dahil yung ginagawa ko, hindi dapat malaman ni Atty. Trixie. Why? Baka pag nalaman ni Atty. Trixie, ibenta yung ginagawa ko. All Atty. Trixie has to do, if my recommendation is favorable to the respondent, look for the respondent and tell the respondent, gusto mo manalo sa kaso mo? Bigay ka lang ng 20 million. It happened several times. Bigay ka lang 20 million, ako nang bahala kay ombudsman. Bigay ka 20 million. Wala namang kaalam-alam yung ombudsman. Ang delikado lang doon, which happened in one case, ni-reverse ng ombudsman yung recommendation ng investigating officer, yung findings. So medyo may nagbalik ng 25 million doon sa kasong yon. This is a case somewhere in Batangas, you know. Yun ang nakakatakot doon. So hindi po pwedeng sasabihin mo yung ginagawa mo eh. Otherwise, mabubukulan ka.